In this quick video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix if your V380 Pro camera isn't connecting to Wi-Fi. Here is few things you can try. First of all, you need to check the Wi-Fi compatibility because V380 Pro cameras typically support 2.4 GHz network only. So make sure that your phone and the camera both connecting to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and not 5 GHz. The next thing you can try is reset the camera. Press and hold the reset button, usually a small hole on the back or bottom of the camera, so you need to press for 5 to 10 seconds until you will hear a voice prompt or see a flashing LED. This ensures a clean start for Wi-Fi setup. The next thing you can try is reconnect using the V380 Pro app. So here are the steps. Open the V300 Pro app. You need to tap plus or add camera. Choose add a camera via Wi-Fi connection or smart link. Enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi name and password carefully. Bring your phone close to the camera and follow the app's audio or QR code instructions. The next thing you can try is improve the signal strength. So make sure that camera is within 10 to 15 feet of the router during setup. Walls or interference from microwaves, cordless phones, or thick walls can block the signals. Check router settings. SSID should be visible. Password should use standard characters, not symbols like this. MAC filtering is off and DHCP is enabled. Firmware and app updates. So if none of the above is helpful, you can try to update V380 Pro app to the latest version, of course, if it's available. After connecting, check for camera firmware updates in the app settings. You can also try AP mode, which is direct connection. If Wi-Fi setup fails, try reset camera again. Connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network broadcasted by the camera. Return to the app to complete setup. And the last thing you can try is rebooting everything. Restart your router, camera, and phone to clear out connectivity bugs. So that's how you can fix this problem. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.